In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find chat ID in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working with automations, building a bot, or sharing precise references with your team, knowing how to grab the chat ID will make your workflow smoother. I'll walk you through a quick, reliable method that works on both the web and the desktop app. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser or launch the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you're looking at the right workspace. Next, navigate to the specific chat where you need the ID. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation. The process is the same either way. Inside that chat, find any message and right-click on it, then choose Copy Link. If right-click isn't available on your device, use your secondary click or the More Options menu attached to the message and select Copy Link from there. What this does is copy a message URL that includes the chat's unique identifier embedded inside it. Now open a simple text editor, Notepad on Windows, text edit set to plain text on macOS, or any basic editor you prefer, and paste the link you just copied. You'll see a fairly long URL. Don't worry about all the extra characters, we only need a specific part. In that URL, look for the section that starts with 19. That's the beginning of the chat ID. Continue reading until the next / everything from 19 up to, but not including, that / is the chat ID. It often ends with something like @thread.v2, so it typically looks like 19 some long string @thread.v2. Be careful to copy only that exact segment and not the trailing / or anything after it. If you don't immediately spot 19, scroll or widen your editor window because the URL can wrap onto multiple lines. A quick tip: if you accidentally copy a link to a team channel post instead of a private or group chat message, the pattern can look different. Make sure you're inside the correct chat and that you copied a link from a message within that conversation. Once you've identified the ID, you can save it somewhere secure for use in scripts, connectors, or support tickets that require a precise chat reference. That's it. Open Teams, go to the chat, copy a message link, paste it into a text editor, and grab the segment starting with 19 up to the next /. Keep this ID handy and you'll be ready to integrate or troubleshoot with confidence.